Happy Labor Day to everyone out there, especially to the ones working that are allowing people like me to have the day off. I greatly appreciate it. There was many years in my life where I had to be the one at work. This year I'm fortunate enough to have the day off. I have my daughter with me today. We're gonna have a great time, do a little cookout, but first things first, I got an upgrade. It's a quick one, it's an easy one, but it makes a substantial difference to the look of the BMW. So there's a billion videos out here about this, but this is my E90 and this is the way my car is gonna look. So what do I have here? I just laid it down. You get to see it. There it is. M3 lip wing and some adhesive. So what I'm gonna do is install it. What I did there, I just placed it on there just to kind of see how it looks, and I'm excited to get it down. I'm all about subtle differences, subtle things, and I really believe it's gonna change the look. And I also have another video that I'm gonna upload for you guys. It's another body part that you guys are gonna truly enjoy, my car. So anyways, stay tuned, take a look, and watch me do what I do. There you have it. That's it. Simple as that. A lot of people do it different ways, but to me there's only a certain way to do it, and that's it. I love it. I think it's just enough. I think it looks perfect. Not too high, not too low, just enough. What more can I say? It's all finished. It's as simple as that, guys. Make it happen. Do it. Customize your BMW, make it your own, and do what makes you happy. Don't ask other people what you think about certain parts. It's okay to ask opinions, but at the end of the day, do what makes you happy. Put the parts on the car that you want to put on and that you enjoy. Bottom line, that's it. Make it your own. Don't try to copy others. Just do what you like. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button. I got a lot more projects coming up, so stay tuned. Later.